actually.
You're also part of the lawyers?
Yes.
Yeah.
अच्छा. So we are from the media actually.
Okay.
मैंने वैसे देखी नहीं है, ट्रेलर ही देखा था, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस थी. लो, आज हम लोग PVR में हैं, so this is the special press show. So the people from the High Court, Supreme Court, and all the courts in Delhi, the legal fraternities here. What's your name, sir?
Advocate Balveer Singh.
Okay, and are you an advocate? Okay. So what made you excited for coming for the movie?
So basically, we are excited for the historical part of Jallianwala Bagh.
Right.
That is no one can show. at that
Okay.
time. So that was our prime target to that how they represent and how they represent the legal system at that time, how they fought for us.
There's a lawyer, Shankaran Nair.
Yes.
Yes.
अब उनको देखने आए हैं?
Yeah.
So why?
Lawyer
What made you?
Shankaran, how he turned up the table, complete table he turned around
Achha.
at the last stage, because he was a very prominent lawyer,
Right.
So how he transformed his critical stage into just like how he has turned his crisis into an opportunity. Just like that, the media was barred from entering the court.
Right.
So he used the tactics to bring the media inside the court, and then he told the untold story of Jallianwala Bagh massacre.
Wonderful. तो आप अभी coming to the actors, किसकी performance देखने आए हैं?
Obviously, Akshay Kumar की तो
Sure, sir.
What about you?
So Akshay Kumar, obviously,
Achha.
his role, because he is Punjabi as well,
Huh.
and his Sikh role, the Sikh prominent role.
Right.
Because in the KC1, what he do, that's the prominent thing. So
और
we are-
आर माधवन जो हैं, वो भी तो eminent role है ना उनका.
Yes, sir.
बिल्कुल.
He's a bigger star.
Yes.
He's a bigger star.
Yes.
Sure, sure.
And then this lady
Ananya Pandey.
Ananya Pandey.
Yeah.
उससे भी कुछ आपको लग रहा है कि she's
She will do
the women as you're a woman, तो आपको लग रहा है?
She has done the.
Because मैं इधर आने से पहले मैं सोच रहा था कि lawyers को
Yes, sir.
You know,
कैसे?
अनन्या पांडे का उसमें क्या रोल है कि how the lawyer who is beginning his career
Right.
should be confident like she is.
Wonderful.
And
So
this-
thank you. So you're अभी तक खैर हम लोग मूवी नहीं देखी है, साथ में बैठ के देखेंगे.
Sure, sir.
But you're very hopeful.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
It was fabulous movie and we really loved it. Atmosphere was totally charging and it is best to watch the movies in this kind of atmosphere.
और इसमें
Together with the family.
आप लोग
friends.
anybody has been to Jallianwala Bagh?
Yes.
अच्छा, कब गए थे आप? Many years.
Many years back, maybe around 10 years back.
तो आपको लगा कि means the truth has been shown?
So it was totally
the massacre-
new truth.
Yes.
And which was, I hope the truth is only one.
Yes.
But it is totally new to us. We have not taught this in the textbook or anywhere else.
Yeah, the Shankaran
The
Nair
story of
thing-
Shankaran Nair.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भी मूवी के बाद ही शंकरन नायर को he's brought it out.
Yes.
ऐसा लगता है कि शायद ये ट्रुथ जो था ना हमें कभी बताया ही नहीं गया।
हाँ, बताया ही नहीं
बिल्कुल
गया।
शुरू से ही छुपा हुआ है।
Because it says the untold story.
और आउट ऑफ द ब्लू एकदम ये
Out of the
बिल्कुल
blue.
चीज एक नहीं आई है।
Because I was also watching and then जो family पूरी थी, ये this been wiped out, that Siddharth को उसका नस काट दिया, it was very emotional.
हाँ।
And coming to the Bollywood, so how do you feel Akshay Kumar's role?
Yeah, fabulous.
He should be
Amazing.
titled as Bharat of India.
Bharat of India.
Yeah, he should be
So you-
he should be titled
So you would like to give him an award?
Kumar is very old now. The new Bharat Kumar is Akshay Kumar.
And he should get an award, national award?
Yes,
this-
he should get for this movie and highly recommended. We also recommend.
अनन्या पांडे के साथ
Yeah.
वो फ्रेशर है.
Yeah, fresher
I was not
है.
expecting
He
so
was a
much.
professional and acting talent is really
Super.
acting
was absolutely fine.
Yeah, he is the best. Means
And
Obviously, he was portrayed as a villain in this movie, but
but later on
And
he's
the best thing,
yes.
best thing, the statement by Mahatma Gandhi, which is shown in this movie.
वो सच्ची.
Shankar
हाँ,
Nair,
वो I was really.
that was real.
Yes.
And no one should say this is fictitious or
Yes,
something
yes.
because Mahatma Gandhi paused for Mr. Shankar Narayan.
Yeah, that is. I think that was the ultimate जो आपने बोला.
Ultimate.
Very noticeable. So you recommend to all your friends? And आपको how did you kids like it?
I liked it very much. As a kid, I enjoyed it a lot, and I was able to know the truth.
So what class are you in?
I'm in ninth.
Ninth. And what about you?
Everybody has already said so much positive about this, but the only problem I found with this movie was that Ananya Pandey's role was very minimal. She did nothing on
He's a diehard fan of.
डायरेक्ट फैन नहीं मैं भी उसका फैन बन गया था नहीं मैं आने से पहले
and I got it as very popcorn as I could do.
वंडरफुल
And I will ask her mother, his mother,
Yes, yes.
to let him know the age
And he's
difference
a
between
future
him
lawyer,
and Ananya Pandey.
Future lawyer, and I wish
It
him to be
happens.
like, he's a future lawyer. I wish
Okay.
him to be like Shankar Narayan.
Wonderful. So she is giving you the blessings. ले लो, पैर छू लो. Which school are you studying in?
He's completed his 12th. He's
Okay.
pursuing law.
Which school? Where did you do your schooling from? School. Where's this?
Noida.
Okay. Anyway, like I'm in media now. I went to Jallianwala Bagh when I was, I think, in the 6th class. तो उस टाइम तो वो लाल खून हम लोग ने देखा था. It's about 40 years back. So मैं तो जब मूवी we had a press conference with Akshay, Karan Johar. So I was thinking कि Karan Johar का एक और a different type of a jumla and all that. But this movie is really moved and I was very emotional. Anything else you want to add?
No, it's a fantastic movie. We really didn't know anything about this
Yes.
earlier. So by this movie, we came to know the actual truth of Jallianwala Bagh. So it's a fantastic
And I
movie.
think it should do well with the non-resident Indians also.
Yes.
Because जो भारत की
Part of
धरती
every.
It's not only for Jallianwala
It's
Bagh,
not only for
basically
Indians.
it is for मतलब like Indians come forward and Britishers to defeat the Britishers.
वो
It's
अभी
not only for
भी
Jallianwala
I
Bagh.
grew up in Bombay. Bombay में वो लिखा होता था dogs and Indians
Actually,
Yeah.
at the clubs, the
That's the true
gymkhanas.
fact. That's the true fact.
That is true. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
And I hope you like this and you recommend to your friends and watch it again. Thank you.